Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode for the Pinterest app. This works on both iPhone and Android, and you can also use this method if you're browsing Pinterest.com. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. You'll notice that the background is currently white, which means dark mode is not enabled. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, in the top right corner, tap on your profile picture to open your settings. Now, scroll through the settings. You'll see that there's no option inside the Pinterest app to switch between light mode and dark mode. Unlike other apps that allow you to manually control the app's appearance, Pinterest doesn't include that feature within the app settings. To turn on dark mode for Pinterest, you'll need to change the appearance settings on your phone itself. Exit the Pinterest app and open your phone settings. On iPhone, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. You'll see two appearance options, light and dark. Select Dark to switch your device to dark mode. If you're using Android, the steps will be similar. Look for the Display section in your phone settings and then choose Dark Mode. Now, go back to the Pinterest app. You'll notice that the background has turned black instead of white. That means dark mode is now active. Pinterest automatically follows your phone system settings, so if your phone is set to dark mode, Pinterest will switch to dark mode too. If you use scheduled appearance settings, such as light mode during the day and dark mode at night, Pinterest will change along with your phone based on that schedule. So just to summarize, you cannot change Pinterest's appearance from within the app itself. Instead, it mirrors whatever display setting your phone is using. If you want Pinterest to always stay in dark mode, you need to set your phone to dark mode at all times. That's how you enable dark mode on Pinterest.